Morning routine. Good morning. Good morning. What time is it? What time is it? I need to get up early. I need to get up early. Did you sleep well? Did you sleep well? I'm brushing my teeth. I'm brushing my teeth. Let's have breakfast. Let's have breakfast. Can I have some coffee, please? Can I have some coffee, please? What's the weather like today? What's the weather like today? I need to take a shower. I need to take a shower. I'm getting ready for work. I'm getting ready for work. At home. Where is the remote control? Where is the remote control? Can you help me clean the house? Can you help me clean the house? Let's do the laundry. Let's do the laundry. I'm cooking dinner. I'm cooking dinner. What's for lunch? What's for lunch? Don't forget to lock the door. Don't forget to lock the door. The house is very quiet. The house is very quiet. I need to water the plants. I need to water the plants. Let's watch a movie together. Let's watch a movie together. Please turn off the lights. Please turn off the lights. Shopping. How much is this? How much is this? Can I try this on? Can I try this on? Do you have this in another size? Do you have this in another size? Where is the fitting room? Where is the fitting room? I'm looking for a gift. I'm looking for a gift. Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? What time does the store close? What time does the store close? Is this on sale? Is this on sale? Do you have fresh vegetables? Do you have fresh vegetables? I need a shopping bag. I need a shopping bag. Traveling. Where is the nearest bus stop? Where is the nearest bus stop? What time does the train leave? What time does the train leave? Can I book a taxi, please? Can I book a taxi, please? How much is a ticket to downtown? How much is a ticket to downtown? I'm going on a vacation. I'm going on a vacation. Do you have a city map? Do you have a city map? How far is the airport? How far is the airport? What's the best way to get there? What's the best way to get there? Can I get a window seat, please? Can I get a window seat, please? Where can I find a hotel? Where can I find a hotel? At work. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Can I help you with that? Can I help you with that? Let's have a meeting at 3 p.m. Let's have a meeting at 3 p.m. I need to send an email. I need to send an email. Please check your inbox. Please check your inbox. Could you repeat that, please? Could you repeat that, please? I'll finish this by tomorrow. I'll finish this by tomorrow. Let's take a break. Let's take a break. I'm working on the report. I'm working on the report. What's the deadline for this task? What's the deadline for this task? Socializing. How are you doing? How are you doing? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Can I get you something to drink? Can I get you something to drink? What's your favorite hobby? What's your favorite hobby? Let's hang out this weekend. Let's hang out this weekend. Do you like music? Do you like music? I had a great time with you. I had a great time with you. Where are you from? Where are you from? Can I have your contact number? Can I have your contact number? Let's take a selfie. Let's take a selfie. Emergencies. I need help, please. I need help, please. Call the police. Call the police. Where is the nearest hospital? Where is the nearest hospital? I lost my wallet. I lost my wallet. My phone is not working. My phone is not working. Do you know first aid? Do you know first aid? Is there a doctor nearby? Is there a doctor nearby? I've been in an accident. I've been in an accident. I can't find my way back. I can't find my way back. Please stay calm. Please stay calm. Health and well-being. Health and well-being. I'm not feeling well. I'm not feeling well. Do you have any medicine? Do you have any medicine? I need to see a doctor. I need to see a doctor. My head hurts. My head hurts. I'm feeling better now. I'm feeling better now. What's the prescription? What's the prescription? Do you have a fever? Do you have a fever? I need to exercise more. I need to exercise more. Drink plenty of water. Drink plenty of water. Let's go for a walk. Let's go for a walk. Daily activities. I need to charge my phone. I need to charge my phone. What's on TV tonight? What's on TV tonight? Let's go grocery shopping. Let's go grocery shopping. Can you help me with this? Can you help me with this? I need to call my friend. I need to call my friend. What's for dinner tonight? What's for dinner tonight? Let's clean the kitchen. Let's clean the kitchen. I'm reading a new book. I'm reading a new book. It's time to do homework. It's time to do homework. Don't forget to feed the dog. Don't forget to feed the dog. General expressions. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You're welcome. You're welcome. Excuse me, can I ask a question? Excuse me, can I ask a question? I'm sorry for being late. I'm sorry for being late. What are you doing today? What are you doing today? I don't understand. I don't understand. Can you explain that again? Can you explain that again? That's a great idea. That's a great idea. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow.